These are my personal 5 steps to create a machine learning program. First of all, we must have a goal. For this example, we have some squares, red and white, and the goal is to the red square to reach the white square. In math terms, we want that the distance between red and white becomes 0. Then we must create some neurals. The neurals tell to each square how to move in base of its position. So in math term they are function, they take in input two variables, the x distance and the y distance from the y squares, and put in output the x and y direction where the squares want to move. So each neural has some random coefficient that in this tutorial I denominated A, B and bias. So I multiply the A with the x, the B with the y, and then add the bias, and the result is where the squares move. The third point that is very important is to classify the neural in base of their value. In this case, the value is the distance between the red and white squares. It's important to classify for the 4th point because we want to delete the worst neural. So for example, we want to delete the squares that instead of reach the white squares, they turn away or stay in the same position. The 5th point is substitute the delete squares with better version. How to do that? We take the first neural, and so the first square of the classify, and then create some random changement, like for example we must add a random numbers between minus and +1, and then repeat the process again and again. This is my result.